Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how to create this look. We are taking the Morphe 39L palette and we're taking this light brown shade and we're buffing it into the crease and up towards the brow using a big fluffy brush. We're using lots of small circle motions to create a flawless blend. If you are new here, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Next we're taking this orangey brown shade on a small fluffy brush and we're packing this colour on into the crease. So to begin with, we're focusing on the outer corner mainly, and then we're going to be bringing it onto the lash line. As you can see here, I'm bringing this onto the lash line now, and we're literally just putting down some prep work ready for once we've cut the crease. I'm now taking a bigger brush and the previous shade just to blend everything out and make sure everything is flawless. Next, I'm going to be taking this dark brown shade and I'm also going back in with that small brush, and again I'm focusing this mainly on the outer corner, and I will also be sweeping this onto the lash line just slightly lower than the previous shade we've just used. And then also we'll be going back in with the previous shade, that orangey brown shade, and just blending everything out and making sure there's no harsh lines anywhere. When I'm blending everything out, I'm always using the same big fluffy brush. Next, we're cutting the crease, and as you can see, I'm literally focusing on the top half of the crease. I'm trying to avoid the lash line as it's going to make our blend so much easier. Now I'm going in with this shimmer and it's a goldeny shade. It's so pretty, and I'm blending it all out with that big fluffy brush again so that it all blends in nicely. I'm then going to be taking this pressed glitter shade. This is a gold shade. It's absolutely beautiful and it looks so pretty layered on top of that shimmer shade. I kept dipping my brush back in to make sure that I got plenty of it on. I'm now applying liner and mascara, ready for the lashes. I'm going under the eye with a dark brown, and then I'm going to be blending it out with a lighter brown. And I'm just applying some highlighter and some lashes to finish off the look. This is the finished look. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.